Hey guys, I don't know why I'm like all weird with my hands. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a PR unboxing, makeup unboxing / my subscription boxes for the month of December. I have quite a few packages to go through. So before we get started, if you are new, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe down below. I'm going to be switching a lot of things up on my channel in the year of 2020. And so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Subscribe, do the bell notification, do all the things. Leave me a comment down below if you like hauls, and let's go ahead and dive in. The very first package actually is from First Aid Beauty. We already know my feelings about First Aid Beauty. I love them, and I don't know what this is, but it looks like it got shuffled around a little bit. Here's what it looks like, and it says, introducing Fab Parma Rescue Mask De-Stress. What is this? And then it says oat and hemp fix. Okay, let me just take it out of the box. Okay, so the very first thing that we have, it's a relief and rescue mask. And here's what it looks like. It has like it's almost like a, not toothpaste packaging, but y'all know what I mean. Like you like squeeze it in. So it says, apply a generous amount to clean dry skin, allow to absorb for at least 15 minutes, massage any remaining products onto the skin and tissue off. So let's read what it's supposed to do. So it says this is I don't know. Okay, so it says stay cool, calm, and complexion perfected with the relief and rescue mask. It is an instant RX for stressed out skin. It's an ultra moisturizing treatment harnessed to the power of Arcna. Oh my gosh, and a lot of words that I cannot pronounce. To help nourish and repair and strengthen the skin. The creamy formula absorbs into the skin and relieves redness, irritation, itchiness, tightness, or just provides a boost of hydration wherever you need it, leaving the skin soft, supple, and dewy. The other product that they came out with is the Oat and Hemp Multi-Fix Slav. I don't think I'm pronouncing any of this stuff correct. It says, treat head-to-toe beauty emergencies with this Multi-Fix. It is a fix-all balm that works overtime to solve your biggest and smallest problems, including chapping, chafing, cracked skin, flyaways, split ends, dry elbows, rough cuticles, windburn, and everything in between. It's non-greasy and helps utilize oatmeal, hemp seed oil, and natural butters and waxes to help smooth and hydrate and protect. So, 2 brand new products from First Aid Beauty. I have not met a product from First Aid I have not loved. So, I'm very excited to try them out. And thank you so much to First Aid Beauty for sending that over. Next package that we have is actually from BoxyCharm. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And actually, BoxyCharm does send me this box. And then I purchased the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I can never remember all of the names. Okay, so first thing we have, this is what I'm most interested in. I don't even know what it is, but this little card comes with it and it tells you what this is. So this is the Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. It is $26 and I can just tell by the packaging that it probably is a color that I'm really going to like. Oh yeah, so it's like this really pretty like mauve-y shade. Oh, that is like a beautiful blush. I don't want to like put some on my cheeks. I mean, I don't know if this is working on my cheeks. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it's really pretty. I kind of like how I'm blending with my fingers here. That's beautiful. It is in the color Dusk. And again, it's $24. I believe the BoxyCharm box is $25. So that's like, oh, it's $26. So it's basically more than the box actually cost. The next thing we have is the Saturday Skin Waterfall. And this is a Glacier Water Cream. It says, dive into hydration. Alaska glacier water envelops skin with refreshing moisture. Hydrating Iceland moss extracts to help soothe the dry skin while revealing radiance. I've heard really great things about Saturday Skin. I've yet to try them out, but I'm excited to test it. Then we have something from Storybook Cosmetics. And sorry, I didn't even tell you the value. That water cream is $39. The next thing we have is $35, and this is Fairy Tales from Storybook Cosmetics. Oh, this is so cute. So basically what they do, I'm pretty sure, is they like make all these different things around storybooks, I think. I saw like I have something in my eye, some like Harry Potter themed things and stuff like that. I mean, it's a really cool concept. This one says, once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. And it has a little girl in the front with like a wolf on there. So again, this is the, I guess Fairy Tales is the name of the palette. Then we have this Pro Series brush cleaner. This is a $12 value, and it is a cleanser and conditioner for your makeup brushes. And the last thing, I'm like looking around at my desk, is this IBY liquid lipstick feather matte. This is the color Flirt, and here's what it looks like. So it's just like a really good nude lipstick. So really excited about BoxyCharm, and I think we should do Ipsy next and like see who wins. I always like comparing the boxes each month because they are right around the same price. You do get full-size products, and those are my favorite kind of subscriptions. So here's what the box looks like. You open it up. I don't even know what all is in here, but it looks like quite a bit. Ooh, I see a makeup palette, some skincare maybe. Okay, so I think it's 3 months, they actually send like a bag. So this is the bag for this month. And they also have one of the little cards that tells you how much stuff is worth. So the first thing we have, it says, we designed this brush to make your life easier. So it's a makeup brush. It retails for $35. Complexion Culture, I think that I actually received some brushes from them a few weeks ago. So, oh yes, this is a really, really nice brush. So it says this brush is made to multitask and save time in your day thanks to its exclusive luxury dense Syntec bristles designed to mimic natural brush hairs. It's a 2-in-1 setting and bronzing brush that helps you apply both powder products seamlessly. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty free. So that's really cool. These brushes are so soft. Like when I received a package in the mail from them, I was blown away at the quality. I have not yet to test them out, but I'm very excited to, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on it. And now I have an extra, so maybe I'll put that in a giveaway or something. Then we have this Cryo Activating Hydrogel. It said is an active, rich, waterless treatment gel that effectively treats the skin. It says it's calming, cooling, hydrating that makes a base for makeup, and it's ideal for those who seek a smooth, plump, and nourished finish. I seek all of those. I really need to try this. I feel like I'm getting so many daggone wrinkles, and I've been trying to up my skincare, but holy cow, this is a $200 value. Well, yeah, definitely need to try this. I don't think I would be able to repurchase it because that's a lot of money. The next thing we have is a hydrating serum. I've not heard of this brand. I think it's pronounced Evolve. It is a $68 value, and again, it's a hydrating serum. Then we have, I have everything like spread out here. Y'all, I'm a hot mess today. This is the Alamasca eyeliner. It is a $22 value. I need a new good eyeliner, so let's try it. Oh, yes, that is a dark line. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can tell just how dark it is, but it's dark and it's like pigmented all the way through. There's no, you know, sometimes you get eyeliners and like, I don't know, they don't look like this. So I'm really excited. Again, that retails for $22. And then the last thing is a palette that is valued at 60 bucks. This is only 4 eyeshadows. Why is it $60? That is expensive. It comes in like a little rose gold case that's cute. I have things from this brand, but $60 for 4 eyeshadows, I don't know about that. I don't know if this is printed incorrectly. Like, that's a lot of money for 4 eyeshadows. Natasha Denona is not even that expensive. I think you at least get 5 for like 50. So, wow. All right, well, that was the Ipsy box. I think, all in all, gosh, I don't know. So the things I liked in this box were the brush and the eyeliner. I mean, the hydrogel is great, but like, oh my gosh, that's so expensive. The things I like the best in BoxyCharm was the blush. So I'm thinking Ipsy's probably winning this month. Let me know what you guys think. What did you get in your boxes? Let me know down below. Then the next thing we have is the Benefit Club Pink box. So I believe I actually got accepted into their like PR program with Benefit, I believe, which I'm really excited about because I do love Benefit products. I've really been wanting to try out their newest, it's like the Professional, but I think it's a hydrating one. I love the Professional, like I use it so much. Got this box cutter out. I did find a box cutter online. I think I'm going to order that it's like a box cutter, but you can't cut yourself. So that's what I think I'm going to do. Oh my goodness, why can I not get this open? Oh, pulling it the wrong way. Okay, so it says VI Pink. Oh, this is the first package I've gotten from them, so I'm very excited about that. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are the Cookie and Tickle highlighters. Oh my gosh, where's a highlighting brush? I definitely want to try these out. Hold on. Y'all, I'm crazy. I totally forgot they actually come with a brush. Okay, so this one is Tickle. And these highlights, I'm pretty sure, like, really, really pretty. I believe I may own one of them in some kind of, like, palette. Okay, so this one's, like, the pinkier one. Oh, yeah. Oh, can you see that? I'm not used to using this kind of brush. Oh, yeah. Wow. I'm also going to swatch it on my hand. Oh, it's so pretty. And that was just like a little bit. Let me actually get, okay. And there is swatched on my hand. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. And I'm just gonna set this to the side. I love that. And I love how like compact these little things are too. The next one's Cookie. And Cookie, ooh, it's more like a gold champagne-y color. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this one, yeah, definitely has like more of a goldy undertone, and then this one's more pink. Let's do this one on the face. Yes. I'm not used to using this kind of brush, so it's kind of like awkward for me, but oh yeah. Kind of like lean back and look in the mirror. This is beautiful. Thank you so much to Benefit. I'm so excited to use these and like, dang, look at those highlights. I think this is my favorite. Like this one is like beaming. Thank y'all so much for that package. Okay, next thing we have is from Good Molecules. Okay, so this is a silicone-free priming moisturizer. So it says it's formulated with shea butter, macadamia, seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. Let's see here. It's supposed to nourish, hydrate, and smooth your skin before makeup. I'm going to have a lot of products to try out before my makeup as like a primer. I cannot wait. Thank you so much to Good Molecules for sending this over. Then we have a package from Rimmel London. Ooh la la. Okay, it says Slay All Day with Rimmel London. It says Rimmel London is here with the ultimate pack for all of your holiday glam. So we have some eyeshadow palettes, a mascara. It's like a whole little set for a full face. We have like a really red lip liner with a red lipstick and a gloss. And then we have a blush. So thank you so much to Rimmel for that package. Next up, we have a package from Siren PR. And I believe they actually work with Essence. Yes. Okay, so this says, hey Danielle, be mistletoe ready with this holiday season with Essence Velvet Matte Lipstick. This super smooth formula provides a truly matte, saturated color that lasts all day long. It's available in 10 gorgeous shades at essencemakeup.com for $3.99, which is such a steal. Ooh, and I love how you can like see the colors. So you have like some like darker shades and then some like really pretty pinks. So I'm very excited to try that out. Thank you so much, Essence, for that package. Okay, next we have a package from Derma E. So this is actually a little travel kit, and it says the perfect travel kit. It has their vitamin C concentrated serum, a purifying detox scrub. I think this is a little mirror. And then we also have the hyaluronic acid night cream. These are all TSA approved, which would be really awesome for travel. Oh, shoot, almost missed this. There's something else in here. Ooh, this is a anti-wrinkle treatment oil as well. So thank you so much, Derma E, for sending those products over. Okay, very last package. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. Wait till I show y'all this. Okay, so let me see what the card says first. This is so funny. It says knockout blemishes with Acne Free's latest launch. This is a gel acne treatment, which I really do need to try. I've been doing these like little patches. Okay, so it says previously available only by prescription, FDA approved, dermatologist developed, once daily tropical retinoid. So it's like a little treatment, but you guys, they literally, you know how it said knock out the acne? They literally sent over these boxing gloves. And they have my name on them. They like literally say Danielle. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Thank y'all so much for that package. And you guys, that's going to complete this PR unboxing. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.